right there. Where?
Come here if you guys need any auto body repairs. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they also do paint and they polish your wheels too, and they fix your body work. So go check them out if you're in the Sacramento area. Oh my god.
Check me out like a house real quick.
It looks clean from far away.
Huh?
It looks clean from far away.
That shit hella slow.
Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna take out this SI cluster from this EK Civic 4-door. Just trying to take it out right now. Yeah, we're gonna take that out and put it into this other coupe, this EK coupe. Got the ugly ass DX cluster. Won't even tell the RPM. Yeah, he just got it repainted. Just picked it up today. It's not perfect, but it's good for the price. Little stock single cam. And this 4-door EK Civic got a B20 head and a B18 bottom block with some headers and intake.
Fast ass F.
You know, VTECs are all torque with some ugly ass rims though. Stick out hella crazy.
And it's out.
I like that the SI cluster.
Nice.
And replace it.
Thanks to the original Infamous,
Yep, that's the original Infamous.
gave him the SI cluster.
Yep, so we're gonna take out this regular ass DX cluster. And don't worry guys, we already disconnected the ground and the batteries, so don't worry about that. We won't electrocute ourselves. That's that cluster up close. Got one screw out. How many other screws are there?
It's just two.
Oh, just one more?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to take this one bolt out. Let's see if I could do it. It's pretty hard, man. I mean, it won't come out. Like, oh my god, I can't see, bro. Hey, don't mind the hair, bro. Quarantine, can't get no haircut.
How's it go?
Bro, I can't even get it in.
That's what she said.
Oh shit. Alright, so after like 10 minutes trying to get one screw out, we finally got it, man.
She was tight. Oh, that shit is tough. I don't know why. There we go.
What the?
It was just unscrewed.
How many screws are there? 4. This one's really tough for another one. There we go.
And there we go.
We got this DX cluster out. I don't need this anymore. We just gotta put this baby in there and test it out. Get everything in.
This is why you don't change it out with an OEM steering wheel. And it's in. That's what she said.
After everything test out so this thing actually works. Before I put everything back in, so there's nothing in mess with it. Finding it at a junkyard.
Alright, let's test it out.
So we're gonna test it out right now. Yep, we're gonna test it out, see if it actually works.
Ooh, alright.
So the RPM gauge works. Okay, the lights work. Turn on your emergency. Oh, yeah, it works.
Everything works. Woohoo! SI cluster.
SI cluster.
First mod.
So if you guys want to do a cluster swap, it's really easy. It just takes a takes time like anything else, you know. Maybe later we'll get some footage of Narin driving the car with the new cluster. Oh, it does work.
Of course it works.
For my part, it does work. I'm scared it wasn't gonna work.
Ah.
Looks pretty clean. So slow.
Hella slow.
Well, SI cluster, mission accomplished. It works. Alright guys, we just installed the cluster. And that's the end of the video. We just wanted to show you guys how to install a SI cluster into a DX Civic, which doesn't show the RPM gauge. Like, look at this. It's so ugly.
In a couple weeks, or maybe a week, you can get me a new radio. I'm gonna slap that up in there too.
Oh yeah, we're finna get a new radio in the upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna show you guys our car builds. So follow us on our car builds for the future. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, subscribe and comment below and like this video for me. Thanks.
B18 B20. We're getting traded today. Look at that baby. Kind of ugly, but look at that. Muffler delete. There we go, Nicholas hitting it.